Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Leon, welcome back. In case you're new around here, I produce content every day based around video production, how to make money online, tutorials and overall documenting my experience in business. If you have interest in one or all of the above, then please consider subscribing. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create micro content in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. So without further ado, let's jump into this tutorial. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am on Premiere Pro right now, and what we're going to do is drag this video onto the timeline and find the part where we want to cut out. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Leon. Give me a second. Forgot to render. Okay, sorry about that guys, I ran into a few issues, but hopefully it's all good now. Got this video right here, let's find out, let's just find the part we want to basically end it at. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Leon, welcome back. If you're new here, I produce content every day based around video production, how to make money online, tutorials and overall. Upwork is better than Fiverr. There we are, so 22 seconds and 22 seconds, we'll cut that. Now what you want to do is you want to go to sequence, put that the same size as the horizontal part, so 1080 by 1080, keep everything else as it is. Done. What you want to do here, click set to frame size. Now get some color matte, keep them the same. I think I'll go for blue in this case. And pretty much just drag the color matte onto the timeline. Now obviously go to effect, controls. On that you want to drag it down, but what I'm going to do, so I'm going to drag it down just about there. Then another one, so the same but different color. Now I'm going to go for white for this one and drag that again onto the timeline. Effect, controls, and drag that up till there's no visible black there. There we are, that's done there. So now what you want to do is you want to go to the text tool or type tool, and so obviously the title of the video is why I think there we are. Now resize it and put it and center it, not very nicely. Effect. Now obviously increase the length of that to the duration of the entire thing. And pretty much add, well, we got these two here, so drag that one on first, decrease the scale, then drag it there we are. So now add, so there we are, that's there. Now what you want to do is you want it so that everything doesn't look the same, even look better. You highlight it, change it to, well, I'm going to change it to white and match that there. Now obviously the keyword in this is better, isn't it? So fill obviously the keyword is better, so change that to red. Bang. Now go to Fiverr, obviously the photo we got. Now we got the Fiverr logo there, but it's too fucking big, so decrease that again. Another thing you want to do guys is click Control Save in case Premiere ends up crashing, which is a pain in the ass. So again, I encourage you to get in the habit of saving, so keep that in mind. And essentially we are, so let's just render it. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Leon, welcome back. If you're new here, I produce content every day based around video production, how to make money online, tutorials and overall documenting my experience in self-employment. If you have interest in one or all of the above, then please consider subscribing. But yes, as the title says, I'm going to be, well, breaking down why I think Upwork is better than Fiverr. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, then please consider subscribing with the bell on, and leave a like and also share as well, so that it boosts the video in the algorithm. And if you have any questions or ideas or pretty much anything, then give me a shout in the comments and I'll get back to you when I can. And I shall see you in an upcoming video. Take care everyone.